Hello, doctors. So, we had talked about five medicine in our previous lecture, and those five medicines are the reverse of homeopathic medicines. Um, okay, without wasting any time, we will continue further medicines which are related to reverse of medicines. There are lots of medicines we know, like in our Allen's keynote or boric or in Vithulkas or etc. But in in short, we will discuss the most important medicines here. So continue. The sixth one is aggravation from wrapping up the head is iodine. The reverse are the medicines are hypersulfur and sorinum. Aggravation from wrapping up, what does it mean? Like there's a patient who is getting very, like you can say it, chilled or like aggravation from wrapping up the head. It means there's a patient, okay, there's a patient who is uh, wrapping his head. Wrapping means folding anything like clothes, hanky, um, a rope, or whatever. He's wrapping his head. In in other medicines, we know that some peoples have some patients have feeling good after wrapping his head with some clothes to ML his sufferings. Like if he is feeling a headache, if he is feeling pain in over the eyes, over the head, then he must or she must wrap a cloth and feel like I'm good with this wrapping clothes. Okay, but here iodine feels that I have problem when I used to wrap my head. So the reverse of iodine is hypersulfur and sorinum. As we can see, hypersulfur and sorinum are the reverse of iodine. Next, seventh number is ml at seashore is meteorinum. We have already know that meteorinum is the great medicine for the seashore, and here he feels good or she feels good when he is near to the seashore. But the reverse is natramure. She don't like the seashore. She feels bad there. She feels her sufferings are getting increase when she is near the seashore. Okay, so M N M Medurinum and Netramure. We can remember those medicines like with some mnemonics, as I already discussed this. Then next is eighth number, violent excitement in sexual organs. Violent, what does it mean? Violent is like intolerable. Okay, excitement in sexual organs and excessive desire for an embrace is murex. Yes, we know murex is the great remedy for the sexual organs excitement and for the sexual desire. Excessive desire she has. But her friend sepia is reverse of murex. Sepia don't like any sexual excitements. Sepia is very indifferent. Okay, so there is two friend, murex and sepia. Murex is very sexually active, but sepia is not active. Okay, ninth number, reverse of nux in sleep symptoms is pulsatilla. Okay, nux and pulse are the reverse. 10th, symptoms appear and disappears rapidly are petroleum, belladonna and macphos. We know that some symptoms are comes like electric current and goes also in the same way. But here, symptoms appear and disappears rapidly. Some sentences are different in our Allen's keynote or for the books, we know. So the sentence we have to memorize is appear and disappear suddenly or rapidly. Suddenly is different thing, rapidly is different thing. Suddenly is like, oh, I don't know when it comes and when it goes. But rapidly is, it comes fast, it goes fast. So the medicines are petroleum, belladonna, macphos. Okay. So the rivers are Platina and Stannum. Platina and Stannum are the rivers of petroleum, belladonna, macphos. That's all for today. We will discuss